Greetings from Team Random. We would love to promote the ever-increasing curiosity about the nature of space and its surroundings. To achieve our target, we created this project under Create category's art challenge entitled Smart. Each segment of our project will serve a different motive than the other.
For long, it has been the thirst of people to explore the outer world. Scientists have achieved it up to a great extent, but what about the young learners, kids, and enthusiast people who want to explore beyond the Earth? For engaging people, especially kids, with recent discoveries and challenges of a space mission and exploration in an artistic, creative, and hands-on manner, we have taken the challenge putting the art in Artemis. And this is exactly where our solution comes into play.
Firstly, we have made our distinguished project Blend Yourself in Space. This is a machine learning and deep learning based neural strain transfer app that masks a user's image with any type of chosen space filter to give off an astronomical vibe. We have taken the filter images from NASA's Open Image data. We are using deep neural network which is extracting the content from the original image using convolutional neural network and getting the style from the filter using a loss function, then combining them both. This app finally returns a well-merged image with a space filter added to it. The original content of the passed-on image is preserved though. Cool, isn't it?
A large portion of all space missions carried out ever is based on Mars, our nearest neighbor planet in the solar system. We humans tried to find out the water traces, habitability and signs of life here, and finally search for ways of preparing for human exploration. So here you can take a look at the places on Mars map where we sent rovers and other automated machines. Let's take a brief look at the next breakthroughs in Mars mission. In 2003, twin rover Spirit and Opportunity were sent to Mars to find more clues about the history of water there and to see if the red planet would ever have supported life. Opportunity found grey hematite mineral evidence of water and studied layers of minerals in the rock near its landing site. And Spirit took many photos of Mars with its camera. They were the first color photos taken by a rover on another planet. It also found several signs of past water and evidence of geothermal or volcanic activity.
As a form of 3D Earth modeling, we built a 3D textured model of the solar system in the Unity platform. Users can explore the space around the solar system in a dynamic mode where planets are revolving and satellites are circulating around them. People can view this from any angle, zoom in or out as they wish. As for the pandemic situation, it's hard to collaborate with the user with our own created models and images, so we decided something exciting. We have introduced a virtual reality technology based on Mars surface that will give the user an experience of exploring this red planet never like before. As a cherry on the top, we added a feature where the user can imagine how Mars will look like in near future by standing on the Mars surface. There you see rovers that were sent so long ago to explore Mars, but now they're kept just for showcasing. And today, I'm on the Mars.
Our project under the Art Challenge of the Create category has its own benefits. The machine learning app will help a space enthusiast to blend a picture with a space mode in this era of flashy filters. The video on Mars quenches the thirst for knowledge of passionate people. The 3D solar model helps to explore our solar system from different angles. Lastly, our VR model will intrigue the adventurous minds to explore the space and to become great astronauts. This kind of technology in larger scale can also be used in space exploration training. Our goal was to display our project in an artistic manner with a creative approach. Let us all work together to increase the awareness about space for a better future. Thank you.